Why Caterpillar exited the highway truck business? Imagine a world where the name Caterpillar isn't just synonymous with heavy machinery, but with highway trucks that dominate the roads. Now picture that same world where they completely disappear. Sounds wild, right? Well, in 2008, that's exactly what happened. But why? Why did one of the world's most iconic brands leave the highway truck game after a mere decade of playing in it? Was it a massive failure, or was there a strategic reason that will blow? Let's rewind to the 2000s. Caterpillar was thriving in the construction world. They were practically the name in machinery. But something was missing. The company had been so successful with earth-moving equipment that they figured, why not bring our power to the open road? They were ready to take on the giants like Freightliner and Volvo. So, in 2008, Caterpillar made a bold move. They entered the highway truck business with the launch of the Caterpillar CT660. The truck was built to dominate long hauls and heavy-duty operations. With their trademark durability and performance, it seemed like the perfect match, right? So, what went wrong? Well, Caterpillar quickly found out that entering the highway truck market wasn't as easy as digging a hole and filling it. It wasn't just about slapping their logo on a truck and calling it a day. The road to success in this market is filled with competition, and they were facing the heavyweights. You see, Freightliner and Volvo had decades of experience, innovation, and an established network. Caterpillar? They were new to the game, and while their trucks were powerful, they weren't exactly the right fit for the typical long-haul life. The CT660, while strong, didn't have the kind of fuel efficiency and driver comfort that drivers needed on those endless highway routes. That's a huge deal when you're talking about trucks that rack up miles by the thousands. The decision to exit. In 2013, after only 5 years in the game, Caterpillar made a gut-wrenching decision. They pulled out of the highway truck business. It was an abrupt exit that left many wondering, how did this happen? But did they make a huge mistake? Or did they see something the rest of us didn't? Well, here's where it gets interesting. Trucking industry entirely. They made a surprising pivot, and what they did next could completely change how we view trucks in the future. Want to know what that is? Stick around, because I'm about to drop some bombshell info that's going to challenge everything you think you know about Caterpillar and its future in the transport world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Caterpillar's bold yet short-lived highway truck venture, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. And leave a comment below. Do you think Caterpillar made the right move? Let's start the conversation. I'll see you in the next video where we uncover the real future of trucks. Hook and cliffhangers are used to keep the audience intrigued throughout the video. The promise of something big coming soon creates a sense of anticipation. Urgency is heightened with suspenseful pauses and teasing hints about future developments. Humor is used to reset the audience's attention at key moments, e.g. the spoiler alert comment. Smooth transitions are made between sections to keep the flow natural without confusing the viewer.